Made it home on him. Air hoses on. Motherfucker hot. Now let's go lock the trailer. Hello. So, dude. Lou, you ended the grass. I'm back, Safi. Lady, what's going on over there? Oh, wait, look at it. It's always dirty. Always dirty. Nobody happy to see me? Barack. Hey, big ball. What's going on? Presidential. Taking a piss on camera. Mama bear. Y'all hot now. Y'all hot now. You used to being a dog. Tell him, Mom said, get used to being a dog. We did it. Lou, say we did it. Fresh out the truck, off the road with the camp. Man, they're like, what the hell this dude been? I ain't do a video in like 2 weeks, I think. But man, I've been on the road. I got back on the road recently. Back working, back driving. Let y'all see them boys growing on me. Everybody getting big. Rock! What's going on? Big boy. Oh, we outside, man. We is outside. Rumble in the Jungle is what? A month from now? Not even a month, I think. We will be in attendance. We will be in attendance. We ain't bringing all of them. We bringing taking two with us. We're obviously taking our big boy over here. Going to his first show, see what he do in the ring. Big boy. They ain't got no water in there. Y'all punished. Y'all is punished. She look done. He's like, man, look, put me back in my house. They put me back in the house. But y'all, let me know if y'all want me to, I can turn the channel into a dog breeding slash truck driving channel. Y'all want me to make content on the road and record all of that stuff. Y'all let me know in the comments, man. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Barack, come on. There you go. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all want to see, man, because I ain't going to be doing a video of the dogs every day anymore, obviously, because I don't have the time. But I can still drop here and there, but if y'all want something every day, y'all let me know what y'all want.